Since ancient times, candles have been used as a sacred element in countless rituals and ceremonies across continents and cultures. Let's explore how candles are used in spells of magic, their significance, symbolism in witchcraft and Wicca, and find a candle color chart to guide you on your witchy works. You have probably been a part of many candle rituals by now. Ever made a wish before blowing the candles on your birthday cake? Ancient Greeks started the tradition of decorating cakes with lit candles in honor of the goddess Artemis. A round pie was meant to symbolize the moon, and the candles were the light radiating from it. This act was a sacred one and still remains to be. Every year we gather with our friends and family to evoke magic, strength, and hope. Since their earliest origins, candles have been used for ceremonial and religious practices that go from prayer to healing and transformation. The spiritual significance of the candle flame is well known. Candles are used by almost every witch, no matter what their belief system or magical tradition. While not everyone likes candles, you will soon realize why their use is so widely spread. Candles symbolize light and the spirit being brought to life through the element fire, burning in the hearth, a symbol of home. Candle Magic 101. 1. Setting a goal. Before lighting a candle or casting any candle spells, you should be aware of the reasons why you will be doing this ritual. That is, establish an intention for your spell work. Candle magic can be used as a way to protect yourself and others, as an aid to achieve a desired goal, to help with your meditation, or simply to ask for guidance in your daily life. If you are petitioning for something, a candle alone is not going to do the work. Everything depends on what you ask for and how you do it. Clearly define whether this magical work is intended for yourself or for another person. If it is for another person, it is essential to first get their permission. 2. Choosing a candle. Choose the candle that best fits your need, depending on the wish or the intention of your spell. Because colors have powerful effects on behavior, each color has a symbolism attached to it. If you don't have a candle of a certain color, you can always use a white one. You can use taper candles, table candles, and even tea light candles for your spells. Keep in mind that the size of the candle will affect the duration of your ritual. 3. Preparing your altar. You will need a place to practice your candle magic. It could be any room in your home where you can be alone and carry out all your spells without interruptions. Find a private and quiet place and set up your altar. This will be your sacred space. 4. Dressing your candle. Candles can be purified and consecrated before their use in a ritual for any magical purpose. By anointing the candles, we are charging them with our intentions and willpower. This is also done to eliminate all residual energies from any person who handled the candles before you bought them. Do I always have to dress my candles before a spell? No, this is a personal decision and a way to add intent and power to your spell. If you don't have any oils to dress your candle, you can cast the spell without doing this step, or simply state your intention while holding the candle. How to dress a candle. 1. Choose a suitable oil. This will depend on what kind of ritual you are going to do and what your intentions are. 2. Hold the candle with one hand and wet your other hand's index and middle fingers with the oil. 3. Rub the oil all over the candle without touching the wick. You can start from the bottom and work your way up, or start from the top and go down. There are as many opinions on this matter as there are witches on earth. A common practice is to rub your fingers from the top down to attract something, or to rub them from the bottom up to banish or repel something. 4. As you are rubbing the oil, visualize your wish and how it's going to manifest. Spend a minute or two focusing on this. 5. Cast your spell. You are now ready to add any ritual acts that will be part of your spell. You will find many spell recipes browsing our spell collections or the library of spells. Visit spells8.com to find those, as well as a page with frequently asked questions and extra tips about working with candle magic.